attorney, did you understand it? According to the plea bargaining agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 7 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. The court is going to call 2022 CR 2519, State of Texas versus Leanne Lehmann. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Brittany Sparks for the state.
Doug Campbell for Ms. Lehmann.
And are you Miss Lehmann?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, I'm going to show you what's entitled discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Lehmann, I'm showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review it with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Next, Ms. Lehmann, I'm going to show you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand your charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams? That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Ms. Lehmann, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived the right to jury trial. Next, I'm showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargaining agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 7 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. State recommends community supervision, and there's $60 restitution to Bear County Criminal Investigation Laboratory for testing. Did you understand that to be the plea bargaining agreement? Defense is at the plea bargaining agreement.
It is, Judge.
State is at the plea bargaining agreement.
Yes, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargaining agreement. The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There'll be a top evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Judge. State offer states exhibit 1 and all attachments.
Any objections?
No objections.
Ms. Lehmann, I'm going to show you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent? I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, I know this isn't my client's first felony, but she has expressed a desire to change and would greatly appreciate the court following the recommendations for community supervision.
All right, Ms. Lehmann, who is Emily Mayhew to you?
My ex-daughter-in-law.
Ex-daughter-in-law?
Yes, my ex-daughter-in-law.
When's the last time you seen her?
It's been at least months, about 7, 8 months.
All right, do you have any children?
Before
What are their ages?
36 down to 26.
All right, do you have any grandchildren?
I got 3.
What are their ages?
2 months and 9 months.
Before you were arrested, were you employed?
I clean houses, yes, ma'am.
What's your drug of choice?
Nothing now.
No.
Oh,
Let's be honest, sometimes
it
your drug
was,
of choice is nothing now because you're in custody.
no, I've been clean for 4 years. It was methamphetamine.
Judge, Ms. Lehmann has a mother that she has to care for, and I believe that mother is ill.
All right, so how is she clean for 4 years? In this case, it's from 2021. My math is not the best.
She
I
wasn't
wasn't
using
using
them. She wasn't using the methamphetamine. She just had it in her care and possession.
Yeah, I wasn't using it. I quit drinking, smoking, everything. I don't do anything
All
anymore.
right,
just
see, I
work.
don't understand why it's in her possession if she's not using.
They found it in her purse, but
I wasn't using it.
it's in her care and control, but not hers.
No,
Mhm.
But they couldn't identify whose it was.
So are you in a relationship?
no, ma'am. I got divorced last year.
So where are you planning on staying if
I
you're
live
with
with my mom.
All right, and who lives with your mom?
Just me, my mom, my daughter.
And that's your adult daughter.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that the adult daughter that has children?
No, she don't have any children. My son's do.
Any other questions for me to sign?
No, Your Honor.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Going to sentence you to 7 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 5 years. There's a $1,500 fine that will be probated. $60 restitution for testing. 200 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. The court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be deducted. And for the court, that includes the full regimen, so that would include the booster shot. We're going to order parenting classes. Once you complete the parenting classes, the remainder of the community service hours will be waived. I think you need that if at some point in time, I will allow you to babysit your grandchildren, but that's not going to happen today. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. So what that means is your children cannot say, oh, I'm just going to run here. Let me let you watch the baby. You cannot have, you understand?
Yeah, I hardly get to see him.
Well, I mean, there's a reason for that.
No, parents.
Well, here's the thing.
They're in jail.
When people don't allow you to see grandchildren, there's a reason for it. And we have to look internally and find out why. Maybe there's a child protective services case and child protective services saying no visitation. But we need to figure out what we've done.
No, I know.
You know, the reason why we can't see our grandchildren. There's going to be proof of employment within 30 days. There's going to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors or cleaning homes. I can't have you cleaning homes until or being put in any type of fiduciary duties, and your attorney will explain to you what I mean by that, until I know for sure that you're clean and sober. You understand? There's gonna be intensive outpatient treatment with probation. We're gonna do the UA hotline until further notice. Field visits 2 times per month, random. There's the regular reporting by Zoom or in person. What that means is probation no longer does Zoom reporting. You can't have Zoom reporting. Or if something happens and you're not allowed to report by Zoom, your phone's not working or something, you'll need to report in person. Do you understand? All right, Rebecca, is there anything else that you need?
No, Judge, I believe you got everything.
All right, Ms.
Oh,
Lehmann.
I'm sorry. Did you mention field visits?
Yes. Field
Oh, yes,
visits.
I do got that, the 2
All
times.
right, thank you. Ms.
Thank
Lehmann,
you.
You're welcome. Ms. Lehmann, is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, so here's the other thing. When I say you're not to work as a home healthcare provider, that means if you're taking care of your mom, you're not allowed to get funding from the government to do
No.
that. You understand?
Yeah.
All right. Next, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question about what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak with your attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Probation will go over
Thank you.
conditions with you.